Hi guys, Bobby D here from bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Welcome to my review of Exodus, which is going to show you guys how you can make some serious easy money buying and flipping domains. Now I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm going to show you the members area, I'm going to show you the OTOs, so you're going to get a good in-depth review of what's going on with this product, and ultimately stay tuned to the end if I'm going to like it or not. Now before we get on with the review, do me a massive favour, hit the subscribe button for me for this channel, keep updated with what I'm doing, and I would really appreciate you jumping on board. So this is Exodus. Let's jump down here. So let's have a look at the strapline. Look how we were able to buy and sell 18 domain names and pull in over $1,900 in 51 days, and how you can do the same. Our brand new domain course shows you how Lance and Trevor mastered the art of flipping domains and how you too can. Now, a couple of things here. Lance Groom, very good friend of mine, is the flipping king. He's the king of domain flipping. He has a business with Flipper. He's one of their only top selling agents. He flips domains all the time, and it was actually Lance who got me into domain flipping. For those of you that have been following me, a year ago I brought out Flipperdom, sold phenomenally well, loads of people had success with it, and Lance was instrumental in helping me do that. And then he has since brought out his own flipping courses. Now, there is nothing come out for a long time in domain flipping, so this is out now, it's fresh, it's new, and it's good. And you can see here, he sold a domain here for $197. Bought it for $1.15. This can happen, guys. It's quite a long sales page. No website required yet. No list yet. No experience. 100%. Can you get a website yet? It does help. Do you need one? No. Do you need a list? No. Can it help? Yes. Do you need an experience? No. This is super easy, guys. Anyone can do this. It's how I started my internet marketing business. So inside, they're going to reveal their secret strategies. Some more sales there. 190. 190, 142, 142, 140, 474, 92, 73. It's a long sales page. But you know what? This works, guys. This method works. Like I said, Lance Groom is he's the only 20 official flipper brokers in the world, so he knows what he's talking about. Now there's loads of videos on here. Take your time, go through them. I'm not going to do it all now. All right. So that is Exodus. It is out tomorrow. 11 a.m. the 16th, 11 a.m. EST, $12.95 on the front end. So this is the members area. When you go into it, you obviously get your welcome. Make sure you sign up to the Facebook group. Really important, these groups. You'll learn a lot, and there's some free coaching that Trevor and Lance are doing, so make sure you sign up to that. The OTOs are there if you've missed them. I'll come on to them in a minute. So there's quite a lot of training modules here. There's an introduction from Lance, how to find domains, where to flip them, how to flip them. They give you loads and loads of different ways of where to sell domains, because that is half the problem. You can buy these domains, you don't know where to sell them. Lance and Trevor show you exactly where to do that. And some of these platforms I've not done myself. So they've actually got me reinvigorated to start looking at domains again. More strategies from Trevor. So you're getting Lance's view on this, you're getting Trevor's view on this, and it's crazy. They show you how to sell domains in a few hours. The videos are from 5 minutes long to 60 minutes long. They're really long videos, some of them. There's a massive amount of content in there, and honestly, guys, I think it's really good. Really good course. If you're looking at making some easy money with no experience, domaining is the way to go, guys. Honestly, it is so good. Now let's just quickly jump at the OTOs. So there's 3 OTOs really. The advanced strategies, over-the-shoulder training, how to pick the best domains, done for you templates and swipes, and high-ticket flips. All of these are good. OTO 1's particularly good because it's OTO 2's particularly good because you're getting the swipes that you can use if you're looking at emailing people out. So that is it in a nutshell. I'm not going to go too deep into it. It works, guys. How does it work? I used to do it. So I stand behind this product 100%. If you know me, I don't do loads and loads of reviews. I might do 1 or 3 a month. That's all I do because I research it and I try it. This works 100%. Grab this today. You get a load of my bonus bundles with it as well. And of course you get my help. If you need me, shout me up, guys. I'm happy to help you. So that is Exodus by Trevor and Carr. 100% recommended by me. 100% works. Grab a copy and start making money. It's that simple. Cheers, guys. I'm Bobby D. I'll catch you later.